Díoghaibh is maisiúcháin. Hi, I'm Siúan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's learn how to say decorations. Mosh-oo-khaw-in. Mosh-oo-khaw-in. Decorations. Mosh-oo-khaw-in. Mosh-oo-khaw-in Nollag. Mosh-oo-khaw-in Nollag. Christmas decorations. Mosh-oo-khaw-in Nollag. Now, let's say I put up the decorations yesterday. Chuir na maisiúcháin in airde inné. I put up the decorations yesterday. Chuir na maisiúcháin in airde inné. Chuir na maisiúcháin in airde inné. I put up the decorations yesterday. Why not go and have a listen to Bite Size Bio, a recording of a live event we had a while ago. We covered dialects as well as how to integrate Irish into your life and much, much more. And it's free too.